Hi, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on your Wilkes student account for tuition payments. So the first thing that you'll need to do is log into the student portal. You'll need your login information, so your username, password, and answer any security questions that you may have already set up. So here I'm going to navigate using the top toolbar, and we have the student tab, and I will select student services from the drop-down menu. And I'm going to focus on the My Account box here. And really, we can choose most any of these options. It will take us to the same page, but I'll choose Pay on Account since ultimately that's really what we're trying to do. So I'll choose Pay on Account, and once we get to this screen, it'll be the same screen that we've seen in some of the other video tutorials, but it's not really explicit as to how you can change your payment method. So we're going to select Payment Profile from the right-hand menu. And here I already have a credit card set up. I have Doug's credit card, and I can edit or delete that one, but I'm going to add a new payment method. I'll choose credit or debit card. And I need to add the card number. So make sure you have your credit card handy when you're doing this. And I'll hit continue. It's going to ask me for some more information, some other names on the card. I'll put in all of my information. I've got a new expiration date. I'll need my address. I'll need my state. And then I'll want to save my payment method, something different than what I've already saved. So I've saved Doug's credit card already. So this one I'm going to save as Doug's PNC card. So I've got that here. So that makes sense to me. That's a way to differentiate the two cards. It won't be too confusing when I figure out which one I'd like to save and delete. So the key thing is here that you need to add the new payment method before you delete the old payment method, especially if it's tied to some other payments that you've made or payment plans. So here now I have a Doug's PNC card and Doug's credit card, so I can go ahead and delete Doug's credit card. I'll show now how to do the electronic check. So I'll select that one. And again, you'll need all of your account information handy. So your account type, the routing number, bank account number. Again, if you're not sure, we have the routing and account number here in the example. You'll need all of your billing information, and you'll want to save this payment method as something. So I want to say it's Doug's PNC checking account. So that way it's a differentiator between the other payment methods that we already have in there. So that is how you adjust things on your profile and adjust your payment methods. Again, you can edit or delete any of these payment methods. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always contact the Bursar's office at 570-408-4960. And the email that you can reach them at is billing@wilkes.edu.